Shipping is one of the most important parts of running an online store. If your shipping settings are incorrect, customers may be charged the wrong amount or may not be able to complete their purchase at all. The good news is that Shopify makes it easy to create shipping zones and rates for different locations around the world. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up shipping rates and zones in Shopify, even if you're a complete beginner. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, scroll down and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll manage all shipping-related options for your store. At the top, you'll see your shipping profiles. Most new stores start with a general shipping profile, which contains all of your products. Click next to this profile. Here, you'll find the shipping zones and rates currently configured for your store. A shipping zone is simply a group of countries or regions that share the same shipping rates. For example, you might have one zone for India, another for the United States, and another for the rest of the world. To create a new zone, click Create Shipping Zone. Enter a name for the zone, such as India Shipping or International Shipping, then click Add Countries or Regions and select the locations you want to include. Once you've selected them, click Done. After creating a shipping zone, you need to add shipping rates. Click Add Rate inside the zone you just created. Shopify gives you two main options: set up your own rates or use carrier calculated rates if your plan supports them. If you choose Set up your own rates, you can create flat shipping charges. For example, you can charge a fixed amount like 100 rupees for all orders within India. Enter a name for the rate, such as standard shipping, and then enter the shipping price. Click Done and then Save. You can also create conditions for shipping rates. For instance, you may want to offer free shipping for orders above a certain amount. You can set conditions based on order price or order weight. For example, you could offer free shipping on orders above 2,000 rupees or charge different rates depending on package weight. Many stores offer multiple shipping options to customers. You can add additional rates such as express shipping or same-day delivery if those services are available for your business. Customers will see these options during checkout and can choose the one they prefer. If you sell products that require special shipping charges, you can create additional shipping profiles. Go back to Shipping and Delivery and click Create New Profile. Add the specific products to that profile and configure separate shipping zones and rates for them. Finally, test your shipping settings by adding products to your cart and proceeding to checkout. Enter different shipping addresses to confirm that the correct rates appear for each region. Testing helps you identify mistakes before customers encounter them. So, to quickly recap, go to Settings, open Shipping and Delivery, create shipping zones, add countries or regions, set shipping rates, configure conditions if needed, and test everything thoroughly. Proper shipping settings ensure customers are charged accurately and help create a smooth checkout experience. I hope this tutorial helped you set up shipping rates and zones in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.